Hello, I am making this video to show you how to edit the slider. In the home page, whatever you can see, the full section is controlled by the slider section. And the slider section is a little bit complex, so before going to the slider section, we need to see how the slider is working. So here I have made an image. First one is the slider items. For example, each vertical section is a slider item. For example, this one is a slider item. So if I go to the image, this is the normal view when we can see the slider, and this is the section slider view when we take our mouse over the section, over the slider item. That means only simply when we are saying this is one view, and when we are taking our mouse over the section, we can see another view. So we have two action in the slider. One is the normal view, another is the hover view. Okay. In the normal view, at the top section we have the steady image. That is the image which is the fixed image. The image size is 320 into 320. And in the normal view, under the steady image we have out image. This is the out image. So think it simply. When we are viewing the slider, we have the two sections, top and bottom. Top section is the steady section, and the bottom section is the out section. Okay. Now when we are taking the mouse over that item, the top section is being fixed. That means that is a steady section, whatever it was in the normal section. We don't need to do anything there. But when we take the mouse over the item, the bottom section change, and in place of the bottom section we have two section. Two new section comes. The first one is the BG, that means the background section, and the in section. And let me show you. For example, this is the Fiji image. Normally we can see the top and bottom, but when we take our mouse over there, for example here, take mouse over here, then you can see normally the background, but when we take our mouse, the text comes up and the bottom section of the image shows. Okay, bottom section of the image. Normally this section, but when we take mouse, the bottom section of the image shows. So the simply steady section is the steady section, that means the top half of the image. Now in the bottom we will have the background image, and in case of the Fiji water we have the half of the bottle water, that is the background, and in that is the text which is showing whenever we take the mouse over the slider item. So simply in slider item, without the hover we will have the steady item at the top and the out section at the bottom. In the hover, steady item will be steady, but we will have a BG, background, and the in image. All the sections, the steady sections, out, steady, background, or in, everything will be an image, and each image will have the size of 320 pixel into 320 pixel. Now let's get back to the slider. Go to the admin panel, we have the Wander slider, click on that. We already have one slider, no title slider. If you click on edit, here you can see we have the slider item. Here we have at first we have one slider item, then we have the second one, then the third one, then fourth one, fifth one, sixth, seven. We have total 7 items. We can add more item too. So here is the plan. Fly direction means the direction what happens when you take the mouse over the item. For example, when you take the mouse over the items, one item comes from the bottom, one item comes from the top. So this is the fly action, down or up. Now here we have the in, and here if you see, the in means the text, white text image. We will have to upload the image, and then we will have to use the link. And to do that, we will have to open media gallery, add a new tab, and here we will have to upload the image. For example, these are some images we have already used. From here we can upload the image, and then this is the link. Just double click on the link and copy the link, and then paste it here. So simply I will I will send you the image too. You can easily understand what will be the steady and what will be the BG. So what will happen? In the in section, we will have to add the in image. In the out, we will have to add the out image, steady image, background image, and the link, so that when someone click on that item, where that will take the user. So we are having steady image, out image, background image, and in image. I will send everything to you so that you can understand. And now scroll down. Here we have the menu background. That means this is the green background which we have here. This is the menu background and the menu top logo. That means this is the logo. We can upload the logo in the media gallery and copy the link and paste it here. And then we have the items. These are the items: Fiji water, Justin wines, that will be Fiji water, and we can link to the page of that item. Once done everything, we can just click on update and it will be automatically updated in the home page. So this will be easy once you start to use that, and I will be always here to help you to fix the issues. Thank you for watching.